Welcome back to my channel, my lovely viewers and subscribers. In this channel, we provide updates on grant opportunities, online income, and financial guidance.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon so you won't miss my next video.
Good morning, the grant community. Once again, this is Pastor Moses Egor from Lagos. Today is the 2nd of February, 2026. And by my time here is 6 minutes after 11. First of all, I want to thank the Grand Community Design Movement President and the executives for their hard work and effort, and other groups in collaboration with them and the Grand Community for their support. I want to just clear one or two things. Few days ago, I told us that the problem of Grand Community is nobody's fault. It's not any NGO, Grand Handler, stakeholder, or coordinator. Let's stop fighting one another. It's a projection of the enemy against Grand Community. I told us few days ago that the problem of Grand Community is the federal government, and they always like it that we fight each other because nobody remember them, and that gives them opportunity to plan on the next thing. If we must win, we must understand ourselves and unite. We are all fighting the same cause. This idea of this one attacking this one attacking that one is the enemies planted in our midst. Some of these people are in every platform. Some of them are not subscribers. Try to discourage others, deceiving people, telling them there is no money. And I want to tell you, all of you, telling people there is no money. Get ready. Don't stop. Don't stop to deceive them, telling them there is no money. Please, because it's already too late to change your mind. Stand with your people whom you are deceiving, and also be looking for money to compensate them for being loyal to your ignorance, and make them miss opportunity that will make their children blame them forever. I told us that there is monies in the CBN. The government are the one. If we unite, nothing is impossible. One shall chase 1,000, two shall chase 10,000. Our voice shall be heard to the ends of the world if we unite. Let's stop all this attacking one another. I'm using this to address Comrade Andre Bright. Please, let's stop our grievances against each other. I told her this Ngozi Israel, she may not be perfect like every one of us, but God have used her. I told her that day, that few days ago, God used her. God saw that her weakness of talking, and is the kind of person he needed to talk what others are covering a secret. And today we are beneficiary to that, even though the grant is yet to be disbursed. It will be disbursed. So I want to address Grand Community. Please, let's stop attacking one another. I'm an advocate of peace and unity. Even the Bible says, every kingdom divided against itself shall not stand. Every house divided against itself shall not stand. Let's forgive one another and let's be at peace while fighting together. I also appreciate God the life of Tunde Jr. for also collaborating with Grand Community Design Movement and other groups. That is a good one. This is the force that will take us to our expectation, and that's a good one. Let's do it together. We may have different pattern of fighting, but let always know that we are fighting the same cause. And let's unite. Those of us that are praying, let's keep praying. Those of us tweeting, let's keep tweeting. Those of us, whatever method, from different angle, let us know that we are together. Thank you once again. My name is Pastor Moses Egor from Lagos. God bless you.